Since we have to deal with angle A, but we have been given two different angles, angle A and angle B. So let's convert angle B into A. How can we do this? We have tan A equals tan B. Can we write tan B equals tan A upon n? Yes, we can do this. Now sin A equals sin B. It's already given also. Can we write sin B equals sin A upon m? Look at this, tan B, sin B. Since we don't have any direct identity between these two, so let's take the reciprocals of this ratio. Let's take reciprocal and tell me, why did I do that? Why did I do that? Is there any purpose? Obviously. What is 1 upon tan B? It is cot B. What is 1 upon sin B? It is cosec B. Now, do you find any direct identity between these two? Obviously we have. What we have is 1 plus cot square B equals cosec square B. Can you write cosec square B minus cot square B equals 1? इसको मैंने यहाँ लिया तो माइनस हो गया. Cot square B minus cot square, cosec square B minus cot square B equals 1. So we have cosec B m by sin A. What would be cosec square B? वो इसका भी स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. Then we can write m square upon sin square A minus what is cot B? N upon tan A. What would be cot square B? It would be n square upon tan square A. N square upon tan square A equals 1. Now we need cos square A. Let's open tan square A. Let's open tan square A. M square upon sin square A minus n square upon sin square A upon cos square A, because tan theta equals sin theta by cos theta. Now ये ऊपर आ जाएगा तो मल्टीप्लाई लग जाएगा इन स्क्वायर के साथ. m स्क्वायर अपॉन साइन स्क्वायर a माइनस n स्क्वायर इंटू कॉस स्क्वायर a अपॉन साइन स्क्वायर a इक्वल्स 1 इज इक्वल टू 1. अब देखिए साइन स्क्वायर a हम कॉमन लेंगे. विल टेक इट कॉमन एज एन LCM. now open sin square a. Open sin square a. Why? Because we need answer in cos square a. What can we write sin square a? It would be 1 minus cos square a, because sin square a plus cos square a would be 1. From that equation we have converted this. Now m square minus n square, m square minus n square into cos square a, it would get multiplied with 1 and it would come as such. 1 into 1 minus cos square a is 1 minus cos square a. Now what can we do is we'll shift this to this side and bring this one to this side. Sign will change. Minus cos square a, it would become plus m square cos square a. Okay, m square minus 1 equals, what can we take common here? Let's take positive cos square a common. Cos square a, here we get minus 1, here we get plus n square. And what would be the next step? Let's divide it to this side. Let's divide it to this side. Minus 1 plus m square equals cos square a. We are done. Can we write this m square minus 1? Yes. It can be written as n square minus 1 और यही cos square a के बराबर आ रहा है और यही हमें प्रूव करना था. Thank you.